Now I will assign the uh, supply, power supply. So go to here, uh, under this supplies, click here. Okay, create new. Here the equipment type: MCC, junction box, distribution box, transformer, switchboard, UPS, generator, miscellaneous, VFD, and so. So these are the only lists available over here. So within this you have to select what type of equipment. So suppose let's consider this MCC. Select here. Now this form will come, free form. Let's put the equipment tag over here. Suppose this is 09 uh, 09. This is for MCC. I will say MCC 0001. This is the MCC tag. Click OK. Here you need to define the area. So we created this process area. Click here. This project status, whether it is existing or new. Say new project. Description MCC. Suppose MCC 01. Service continuous. And here 415 volt. So you can choose the MCC bus voltage over here. So 415 volt 3 phase 50 hertz. And here the MCC rating. Suppose this is 3200 ampere. Okay, go to next tab. Loads assigned. I'll come back here later. Go to detail. Here design status in progress, the same status in progress. Revision 00 we mentioned. Okay, now these are the optional data. If you have some remarks over here, so you can use this field 1 2 3 like this. Otherwise keep it as it is. Let's go back to loads assigned. Okay, before that you can apply and click OK. Let's see whether it is created or not. You can see this one already created. So under supplies, this MCC 09 MCC 0001, this MCC already created. Now let's double click here and go back to loads assigned. Here bus bar. If you have two bus bars, so bus A and bus B, so you can add here another one. 7 continue, yes. So bus bar 2, this is bus bar 1. So under this bus bar you can go loads. It is not yet designed, the loads not yet assigned, that's why it is nothing is coming. So go to details over here. Suppose bus bar number you want to name it bus A. Okay, description, you can see bus A. And here 415 volt 3 phase, you can select from drop down list. So bus A, this MCC rating, this is the bus bar rating. And here 3200 ampere, and fault current you can mention here, suppose 65 kilo ampere. Okay, now now here you can see under bus for 1. Okay, here assign, click here to assign the load. Okay, So okay, general loads assigned. Okay, so let's apply this one. Let's go back here. Loads assigned. Yeah, this is was for here. Assign here. Okay, now we can see the motors whatever we created in our previous lesson, that pump motor, cooler pump, that 09, yeah, this one, this cooler pump on 09 PM 0001A, we created this load under this loads tab. So let's assign this motor under this bus A of this MCC. So click assign, then apply. Okay, next go to bus bar, next bus bar, go to details, rename it bus B, description bus B, here same fault level, suppose 65 kiloampere. Okay, and these are the output voltages, 415 volt. Apply and okay. Now again double click here. Let's go to loads assigned. Let's go to bus bar B. Here you can see assign, and we will assign the cooler pump motor B, this one. Click here. So any number of motors, any number of loads you can assign from this MCC, from this bus bar. So you have to select only like this. So for the time being I am assigning only this one, 09, this motor, cooler pump motor B. So let's assign here, and if you want to delete, just select this one and unassign, click unassign, then it will be removed from this bus, from this MCC. Click OK, apply and OK. Okay, now it is assigned. You can go back, you can go back, you can go back to loads tab over here. Okay, now it is there. Just double click. Okay, now this MCC is coming. You can see under supplies, tag, it is coming. You can say MCC 0001A and 0001B. So these are assigned. Now let's show these supplies. These are the loads. These are the supplies. So this is now okay. Let's go back to supplies. Here suppose I want to, so in this way we can assign any number of power supply, you have to, what you have to do is to create this new tab over here, and you have to select from here. Suppose transformer, we want to select this transformer, then this equipment number, suppose this is 09 TR 0001. Click OK. Here let's say transformer, here continuous. Okay, here transformer rating 2000 VA, 2000 MVA. So 2 MVA, 2 MVA transformer. Now go to winding. Here Under this details, winding name, suppose this is secondary side. Description you have to give here, suppose this is 11 by 0.42 kV transformer. And impedance you can mention 2 MVA, so 6.25% impedance. So fault current is also showing here. This is load in to 2 MVA transformer for 15 volt 3 phase 50 Hz. You can select also other voltages from this. So this is coming under winding. Then output voltages, this is for 15 volt 3 phase. Okay, go to details. Here design status, in progress. Okay, revision number 00, and all other things. If there is any remark, you can fill in these boxes. So apply plant area. Sorry, we need, this is the most important thing, this plant area. So this is for process area 09. Click apply, and okay, now you can see this transformer is created now. Over here 09 TR0001 transformer, this is now created. Let's double click here, go back to here, you can see assign. Suppose MCC what we have created under 09, this MCC we have assigned, we have created for this 09A and 09B. So these two buses are there under this MCC. So we will connect this transformer with this bus A of this MCC. Click here and assign. Click apply, and then okay. So this is now assigned. You see this transformer, and if you check from the previous one MCC, okay, this one MCC, double click here, we can check loads assigned. Okay, you can see here, this is the transformer. This one is the first one is the motor, it's connected, and here is the transformer, it is showing. So this is assigned. If you want to unassign, then select this one and unassign here. Okay, click OK. So like this you can create any number of equipments. You can enter any number of equipments under supplies tab also. So in the first lesson we have seen how to enter the loads under this loads tab, and then the power supply, the supply, whether it is from MCC switchboards or from transformer or VFG, whatever may be. So you can assign like this.